Before buying a 12-gauge shotgun scope, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, SV Bony SV28 Spotting Scope. Let's kick things off with the SV Bony SV28 Spotting Scope. Priced at $139.99, this scope caught my attention because of its impressive 100mm lens diameter. If you want clarity in long-range shooting, this is worth a serious look. 100mm lens means you get a brighter and more detailed view, crucial when identifying targets, especially in low-light conditions. With a magnification range of 25x to 75x, you can zoom in and catch every detail without losing clarity. Plus, it features fully multi-coated optics, ensuring better light transmission. This is key because more light means a clearer image when you're out in the field. Now, some users pointed out that the manual focus can be a bit tricky for beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, the clarity you gain at those high magnifications is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a serious shooter who often finds yourself in low-light situations. Skip this one if you're just looking for something casual or don't want to deal with manual adjustments. For the price, the value here is solid. Now, if the manual focus aspect troubled you, this next option might be better suited for ease of use.
Product number 2, Dead Ringer Buster Shotgun Sight. The Dead Ringer Buster Shotgun Sight, coming in at just $26.83. This compact sight really stands out because it's budget-friendly and easy to mount. If you're looking for a no-fuss option, this is worth checking out. What's great about this sight is that it has a bright red dot that helps you quickly line up your shots, which is crucial when you need to act fast. Plus, the lightweight design won't weigh your shotgun down. Ideal for targeting moving game, this sight gives you the edge you need in the field. However, some users have mentioned that the dot can wash out in bright sunlight. Now, I'd say this might be a deal breaker for serious outdoor enthusiasts, but if you mostly shoot in lower light conditions, you'll probably find it very effective. This is perfect for you if you're new to shotgunning and want something straightforward and effective. Skip this if you need advanced features or shoot mostly in bright conditions. For the price, it's a steal. All right, that was a good budget option, but the next one on my list might actually offer a bit more versatility.
Product number 3, Monstrum ZD143C and T16 Bundle. The Monstrum ZD143C and T16 Bundle, priced at $42.99. What grabbed my attention here is the balance of features and affordability. If you want something that offers flexibility without breaking the bank, this is a solid choice. This bundle includes a quality mount and a reliable scope that's user-friendly. The 3 to 9x magnification range gives you enough versatility for various shooting situations. Plus, the durable design ensures it can handle the recoil from a shotgun, which is essential for maintaining accuracy. However, some users felt it's not as robust as more premium scopes. Here's why that's not a deal breaker. If you mainly shoot at moderate distances, you'll find this scope performs excellently without needing to invest heavily. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable scope for general shooting without overspending. Skip it if you're a competitive shooter looking for top-tier specs. It definitely offers great value for what you pay. Now, if the durability concerns worried you, wait until you see the next product that prioritizes sturdiness.
Product number 4, Monstrum ZD139A and T14 Bundle. The Monstrum ZD139A and T14 Bundle also comes in at $42.99 and is another great option. This one caught my eye because it's built for durability and ease of use, ideal for those who want reliability in the field. If you're looking for something that can handle rough conditions, this is worth considering. This scope offers a fixed magnification of 3x, which is excellent for quick aiming and accuracy at close to mid-range distances. The lightweight design means you won't feel weighed down while shooting. What's more, it's backed by a lifetime guarantee, which shows confidence in its quality. But some users noted it might not be versatile enough for long-range shooting. Here's the thing, if you're primarily hunting in wooded areas or shorter distances, this scope will serve you well without the complexity of higher magnifications. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable scope for quick shots. Skip this if you need adjustable zoom for long-range shooting. The price point makes it a no-brainer for what you get. Finally, if that lack of versatility is a concern, the last product on our list may provide a good balance.
Product number 5, Monstrum RM232 and T14 Bundle. We have the Monstrum RM232 and T14 Bundle, priced at $44.99. This product stands out due to its combination of reliability and ease of use, great for both beginners and seasoned shooters. If you want an all-in-one solution, this is definitely worth a look. This bundle includes a durable shotgun sight and a versatile mounting system. The lightweight design is perfect for long days in the field, and the scope's clarity helps ensure you don't miss your target. Plus, Monstrum backs all its products with a lifetime guarantee, which gives you peace of mind. On the downside, some users have reported that the adjustment knobs can feel a bit loose. But honestly, as long as you keep an eye on them, it shouldn't be a deal breaker for the right shooter who values the other features. This is perfect for you if you want a dependable optic that's easy to set up. Skip this one if you're looking for ultra-specific features or extreme durability. For the price, it's a great investment for ensuring accuracy. Now that we've looked at these 5 options, each has its unique strengths and weaknesses, so consider what fits your shooting style best.
We've reviewed the SV Bony SV28 for clarity, the budget-friendly Dead Ringer Buster, the versatile Monstrum ZD143C and T16, the durable Monstrum ZD139A, and the all-in-one Monstrum RM232. Each has something special to offer, so choose based on what you need most.